If you do your computing on an Apple Mac Studio or Studio Max, don't put it on your desk, mate. Sling it down under. You'll save a ton of space. I got the Under Desk Mount for Mac Studio by Bylitco. It's black, it's sturdy, it's metal. I give it a thumbs up. I think you'll like it too.
So it comes with an instruction sheet here on the installation. As you can see, you just place where you want it underneath your desk, mark with pencils where you want to screw in the screws. There are 4 screws. You can use the ones that come with it, provided your desk isn't too thin. So you really want to make sure you know exact thickness of your desk and maybe mark the thickness on your drill bit with a piece of tape or something so you don't screw into your desk too far, which is what I did. And then you just slide it in once it's securely fastened. My issue was that my desk comes with a bar that's about here. It's a wider desk and it has a reinforcing bar, so I wasn't able to just put it up snug next to the desk. There's a bar in the way, so I used some spacers. There's similar spacers to this. These are actually shorter ones. They're for TV wall mounts, actually, these ones, but you can get all kinds of different spacers. 4 screws. I needed about 1 inch. You might have to mess with it a little bit just to get it to fit your particular type of desk, particularly if you have a bar here. I didn't want it to pull out easily, and I found it was sliding a little bit, so I used these zip ties to just create a little bit more thickness here, which stops it from sliding out.
Check out the links below and subscribe to see more content on gear I use and recommend for video production. See you next time.